Industry Update's grown as a magazine so much in the last few years. I mean, we've been lucky that we've been involved along the ride. It gives you exposure not only on the online presence today, but also still in print. And I think print still plays an important part in the industry we're in. The other thing for me is that it's probably the most read magazine in the industry for people who we want to target. So it's quite a good experience for our customers, promotes us well, and it gives us opportunity to do quite a few different things within the magazine. So for us, it's been a really good experience, and I think for us, we'll continue with it because it's grown so much now that it's the most looked at magazine in the industry. So why not be a part of it?
We particularly like it because it's got a much higher readership than some of the other magazines, and personally, I think some of the other magazines in our industry tend to have lost their way a bit, or they've compartmentalise themselves, and that doesn't suit us. You have to advertise, you have to be seen in the marketplace, you have to keep your name there if you want to get business.
Industry Update has helped BesTech maintain its position as an industry leader for sensors and measurement. Secondly, the exposure has helped BesTech get leads and sales, and that's why our interest in Industry Update.
I think from our point of view, the best part is that it really targets our market. So it really works well with the types of customers that we work with. We were coming off a low base a few years ago where we were relatively unknown in the Australian market. And I think from our perspective, Industry Update's been fundamental in building that brand awareness that we needed.
Industry Update offers LAPP an opportunity to communicate our products and services across a wide target audience across Australia. That target audience includes technical engineers, manufacturing and purchasing professionals and service agents. And it's imperative for LAPP Australia to have the right advertising partner in place to support our requirements in the future. The ability to access Industry Update's various media formats from print through to digital makes it the right choice for LAPP Australia, both now and also in the future.